Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool model designed by Jeremy Shafer. Check it out. This is called the Cootie Catcher Flexahedron, and this is how it works. So it just keeps opening like this endlessly. And it's also like a mouth. See? You can open it like this or like this on this side with the corners. And yeah, it's a really cool model. And if you open it up, it's a box. How cool is that? And I folded this from a sheet of elephant hide, also known as whinstone marble. And yeah, and it came out really nice. And thick paper is best to fold this model with. Cardstock is good, and any thick paper like this. And yeah, and I just can't stop playing with it too. It keeps getting addicting when I open it up. And the other cool thing you can do with this model is that you can place it on the desk like this, and then push down on these 2 points. And look, it just returns to that same shape. Isn't that cool? That's actually really satisfying, in my opinion. See, just push those 2 points down and it just returns back to the shape. And to learn how to fold it, here it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. And my next tutorial that I'll be releasing will be this Easter egg flicker. So there it is when I post it. Okay, bye guys.